What's the meaning of baby bouncer? Baby bouncer. Baby bouncer.
Baby bouncer. Baby bouncer. A baby bouncer is a type of infant seat that moves and bounces when the baby kicks their legs or moves their body. It is designed to provide a soothing and calming effect on the baby, allowing parents to have their hands free while still keeping the baby safe and nearby. Baby bouncers can come in various styles and designs, including those with built-in toys or music to keep the baby entertained. They are typically used for infants up to 6 months old and can be a helpful tool for parents in managing their daily routines.